Thanks for watching this short tutorial video on how to install a Deviant Ink wrap. Watching this will greatly aid you in properly installing and ensuring that your wrap functions properly and looks awesome. When you receive your package, open it up and inspect that you have your complete wrap and all of the pieces are there. Each section is conveniently labeled so that you can navigate your way through the wrap. Deviant Ink wraps are made with thick, durable, high-tack vinyl, layered with extra adhesion so it will bond to surfaces and stay bonded. Before you begin slapping those decals on, stop. Let's make sure you have the proper tools for installation. We recommend you have the following: alcohol, not that alcohol, this alcohol, microfiber cloth, felt squeegee, X-Acto knife, heat gun or hair dryer, scissors, and masking tape. You can also add an install kit to your order that will have everything you need in one convenient package. Now you're ready to begin. Step 1. Removal. It is best to remove stock graphics before installation. If you install over the top of stock graphics, you will probably be able to see the outline of them underneath your wrap. It's also less of an ideal adhesive to stick to. If you do remove any stock graphics or an old wrap, be sure to clean any adhesive residue left behind. A pro tip to help remove adhesive is cut out a blank padding piece from one of the sheets and use that to pull off any residue. If that doesn't work, then use a solution like Goof Off or Rapid Remover that you can pick up at your local auto parts store. Step 2. Clean. Clean your machine thoroughly. Start with soap and water, let dry, then clean with rubbing alcohol and a microfiber cloth. The goal here is to remove any contaminants that might jeopardize your wrap down the road. It's important to note that you should also keep your hands as clean as possible throughout the installation. Step 3. Separate. Hang your sheets up on a wall so they can unravel and so that you can see all of the pieces laid out. Each wrap comes with a printed install guide that includes a print layout along with a decal placement visual. Using these visuals will be very helpful installing your wrap, so be sure to refer to it often. It's best to start with a section that will have smaller decals. This will give you practice and confidence before you move on to installing some of the bigger decals. Once you've picked your section, with scissors, cut each decal piece out separately from the sheet, trimming the paper backing as close to the decal edge as possible for ease of visual placement and installation. Step 4. Apply. We advise applying your decals using the hinge method. Some of the decals are small enough not to need this method, but for the larger decals, this method is imperative. Try practicing this method with a smaller decal first to get the hang of it. First, position the decal and tape at the center. This is your hinge. Using the tape as a center hinge, pull one side of the decal back over itself and peel the paper backing away. Cleanly cut the paper backing close to the hinge point. Now, bring the adhesive back portion into place, hovering over the plastic but not yet touching it. Now take the clean squeegee or your fingers and firmly apply pressure starting from the center hinge with up and down side to side strokes till that half of the decal is installed. Now remove the hinge tape and repeat these steps for the second half. If your decal isn't perfect, no worries. Just peel off and try again. The adhesive can be pulled off and reapplied several times as long as it hasn't been post-heated yet. Step 5. Post-heating. Once your decals are installed and you know they are in the right place, you're ready for post-heating. Post-heating is a crucial part ensuring the decals will properly adhere to the surface. Using a heat gun or a blow dryer, evenly warm up each decal and massage the warm vinyl onto the surface. Be careful not to scorch the graphics. Holding a heat gun too close or placing it in one area too long can damage the vinyl. After you're done heating, let your decals adhere for 24 hours before taking them out into the elements. Another pro tip: even though your wrap is installed, you don't have to be done yet. Your package may have included a sticker sheet with Deviant Ink stickers on them. They are made of the same high quality materials as the rest of your wrap, so you can add some additional bling to your ride or your gear with those. Congratulations! Your wrap is installed. By properly installing them, you give your decals excellent adhesion, protection, and longevity. Our graphics are built out of the highest quality materials, not titanium, but the best stuff you can buy. So enjoy.